Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ with the Z07 pack in torch red on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle, let you have a look. So I've got the target top removed and it fits nicely in the trunk, as you can see. We've got the privacy screen, so there's the lower half there and there's the upper half here. So when you have some items in the trunk, that will keep them private from outside lookers. Have a look, it's got the competition seats, so that's the back of the competition seats, very cool. And we'll just pull this up and have a look underneath because it is a 3LZ, so it does have the quilted headliner here as well. Here's all the goodies that come with it. Looks like brake coolers and brake rotor protectors, and then we've got the cargo net there in the front, and then down below just storage, and the books are down in there. That's great. So we'll lock this back into place and we'll close the lid. It does have soft close, so I'll just simply press and it pulls itself closed. We've got the stage 3 wing with the wicker bill clear centerpiece. We've got the clear Z06 taillights. We've got the carbon flash badge package and the NPP performance exhaust. So on the exhaust, the 2 outer ports have dampers on them that open and close electronically to make the exhaust louder or quieter based on your setting. So we'll just shift around this side here, let you have a look at the rear wheel. So it's got nice chrome wheels. We've got the red Brembo calipers, carbon ceramic brakes, and brand new Michelin tires. Here's your exposed carbon fiber Z06 Z07 style skirt. Looks great. And here's the passenger door panel. So we've got the nice red baseball stitching along there, 10 speaker Bose stereo, electronic door release, power windows, and power locks. I'll just show you the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in pretty good shape. A couple little minor marks, but overall really good shape. Here's your power seat. Power 4 aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice red baseball stitching with the Alcantara insert, and again, that nice competition seat. So there's the inlay there, done in carbon fiber. And this one also has the red seat belts, which is nice. And then also with that 3LZ, there's the Alcantara that runs along the B-pillar there as well. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And we'll have a look here. So we've got heated and cooled seat control for the passenger, passenger temperature display, passenger temperature control, and then we've got red baseball stitching along the lower as well as the upper here. And we'll check the glove box. So there's more books here. There's some books in the trunk as well. So it's got books. And then the A-pillar is also done in Alcantara with the 3LZ. So that's great. Have a look at the rest of the dash while we're here. Looks good. And let's just hop out and close this side up. And I'll just move along the back side of the vehicle here so we can see the condition. What a sharp looking car. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And here at the front, we've got the Z06 badging with the carbon flash metallic vent. And then here's your front wheels. So again, nice chrome wheels, brand new Michelin tires, carbon ceramic brakes, and red Brembo calipers. So we'll have a look under the hood. We've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. And that's paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. It looks good. In the corner here, we have our dry sump oil system. Also with the Z06, you get a rear diff cooler and transmission cooler. And then we've got the cable going to the strut tower, so that gives you adjustable magnetic ride suspension. And then we've got the Z06 hood mat there with the logo, looks good. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood, and we'll have a look from the front. So it's got the Jake logo on the hood stinger stripe done in carbon flash metallic with the carbon flash metallic vent. We've got the black housing projector HUD headlights with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights. Again, that nice carbon flash metallic badge package. We've got curb view camera, so there's one there. There's one over here on this side, so those will come on at low speeds when approaching a curb so that you don't bump the curb with the carbon fiber. So that's a really great feature. It's got the larger stage 3 winglets there on the side, and then again the nice exposed carbon fiber front lip. It's in really good shape, as you can see. In terms of issues, there's a couple little minor stone chips here that we'll touch up if we can. Some of them may buff out, we'll see. We'll do our best with them, and I think there's one right here. These are the size of a pinhead, but they're there, so I just want to share them with you. So we'll shift around to this side here. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, brand new Michelin tires, carbon ceramic brakes, and red Brembo brake calipers. And same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. Again, we've got that nice red baseball stitching against the leather. Looks really nice. We've got power locks, power windows, 2-user memory with a programmable exit button, and our electronic door release. And again, that nice 10-speaker Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And there's our power seat. So power forward, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks really good. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. And let's get in and fire this one up. Alright, so in terms of kilometers, we have 21,704. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. We'll move on here. We've got the cruise control on the steering wheel. We've got favorites or track change for the radio. Volume controls over here, and then we've got our arrow keys. The arrow keys work the dash, so you get your info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. We've got telephone hang up, telephone answer, and voice command. You've got rev match on and off, and rev match on and off. So when rev match is on, it will automatically rev the engine to match the speed of the transmission when you're downshifting. You've got headlight control on the stock here, and I'll just show you there on the windscreen. So you've got heads-up display, and you can cycle through the different screens, move the position, change the brightness. So that's all done with the buttons right here. We've got power mirrors. We also have this really nice carbon fiber dash upgrade. We've got power trunk release, motion alarm on and off, and we've got our power tilt and telescopic steering column over here. On this side, you've got your push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB. And audio, so AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, auxiliary line in, USB in, telephone control, so you can control your text messages and phone calls. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Navigation, so we've got full factory navigation in this one. You've got your performance data recorder, so that's there. And if we go over, here's your camera. So there's your front curve view camera, there's your reverse camera, and then down below we've got our climate control. So here's the temperature for the driver, and currently the two zones are synced together. And again, you can control the passenger on that side as well. We've got our Z06 badging, 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque. And here's your 7-speed manual shifter with Alcantara shift boot and red baseball stitching. You've got a 12-volt socket, we've got a cup holder, we've got electronic parking brake, and we've got our mode selector. So the mode selector, when we twist it like so, you get touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. So that'll control the exhaust, the steering feel, the suspension, all those different things. Inside here, we've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. Here's the condition of the center armrest. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And then above, we've got our frameless auto-dimming rearview mirror. We've got universal garage door buttons on the visor, and an auto-dimming driver's side mirror. So with it running, let's hop out, have a look and listen. What a nice growl to it. Sounds great. So I'll just show you from the front with the headlights on here. What a nice looking car. And I'll just scan along this side so you can see the condition. Love the Stage 3 spoiler. Fabulous, fabulous look with the carbon flash and all the black accents against the red. Great sound to the exhaust. Love the clear taillights. This is the car. So there you have it, folks. 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Z07 in torch red with comp seats, chrome wheels. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.